In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then choose Google. Click on All Services. Scroll again and hit Autofill with Google over here. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna get rid of and entering your screen lock. Last but not least, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, your account or your app won't be deleted, only password that autofills for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!